well, oops. This is supposed to go the other way. Okay, so I got the front end kind of mocked up. That's what it's going to look like. Just imagine the wheel right there. Something like that. The wheel's not going to stick that far out. It's going to go back about more in line with the neck. So about like 5 inches back. So I only got a couple more things to weld. I am going to put this piece here and then have it go down, and I'm going to have a piece here and it'll attach to that. And then so I got to weld that, and then I got to create the front forks and then create a mount for my gas tank. And that's pretty much it. I know it may not look like it, but that was a lot of work. All right, it's nighttime. I'll see you in the morning. Alright guys, we're almost there. I got the front end built. Let me set this down. So we're almost there. I got the front end all built and mocked up. Kind of liking how it looks so far. Now there are a few things I still have to do. I still got to mount the gas tank and my brakes right here. This piece here is just from a bicycle. It's from a disc brake conversion caliper mount you can get from Amazon. You can get like, I got 2 of these for like 10 bucks. But it fits the holes perfectly for this caliper here. Now this caliper is perfect for this. Something like that, and then I'll just weld that bracket on there so I can have some brakes. I'm gonna need brakes for this. Yeah, the suspension's coming out pretty good. I don't have a nut to this. I'll just go to the store and get one. I have no clue what the heck happened to it. I know I bought 4, but it's, I don't know, somewhere probably hiding under there. So I gotta get the gas tank on here. You'll notice that there's 2 hoses. This one's a breather. Because this is a closed system here, as a fluid drains out, you're going to create a vacuum, so it needs a breather. That's what this is for. I just put a filter on that. This one is where the gas comes out. This is where it drains out. So I need this to point forward like that. So that way the line will attach to the engine here, carburetor, and it'll be good. Just get it on like that. I do have to elevate the gas tank a little bit. I wanted it flush, but I can't do that. Can't have it flush to the frame because of where that petcock valve is. If I have it, well, actually no, this is in the way, that's why, not the frame. And also the bolt here for the shocks. Otherwise, the petcock valve would have been down here, and that would have been perfect. Although, maybe I could put it at an angle. That might work. The valve is down here. I could do that, but yeah, the valve is going to hit the frame, so I either have to elevate it, lift it up. That will be the easiest thing. I can just take this angle iron, not grinder, just put it on the frame, weld it, drill 2 holes. I'm going to have to get a piece for that third mount there, but it'll be easy enough. Or I can angle like that. That would be pretty good too. But, and then the engine will sit here. The engine can slide back and forth. I may need a little longer gas line, but that's not a big problem. Got my muffler too, so I'm not gonna do it right now, but I do have to create some sort of exhaust. I'm gonna use this. This is off of a Briggs & Stratton. Got it from Amazon. This one comes with this special nut here. That way I can screw it on, and I'm going to do that. Usually in the past, I never got one with this special nut here. So I've always just welded it straight onto the pipe, but not this time. I'm actually going to use like a union or a coupler, weld the coupler to the pipe, and then screw this on, and I could screw it off. That way if I do want to straight pipe it, which I'm probably not, but if I do, I can do that, take it off. Anyways, I'm gonna call it for this one. Everything's welded, it's all solid. I try to grind my ugly beads. This one wasn't bad, but that one on here was kind of ugly. I can't get that because my angle grinder's not gonna fit in there. That's it for now. The next video, get the engine exhaust, get that mounted, gas tank, and my brakes, and that's it. This thing should be a rider. All right, I'll see you in the next one.